Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group. Wanted to take a quick little second here to go over a cool little kind of NinjaTrader 8 tips and tricks for you after doing a contract rollover. I ran into a little bit of a problem with the drawing tools. For our morning DPs over on SSFTG, I use a Fibonacci tool with a bunch of extensions. It just makes it easier instead of drawing a bunch of separated lines. But when I went to try to change my tool today, because we had just rolled over to the new contract, you'll notice what happens. Here's my drawing tool, right? And if I go in here, I want to tell it that I want it to start at our new DP level. And just so you can see it, we've got it right there. So our new DP level 42.46 down to 42.36.11. Okay, so we've got these two DPs right here. And then when I hit apply, nothing works, right? It doesn't, nothing happens, and this little error box shows up. Unhandled exception, the value, NinjaTrader, NinjaScript, blah, 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 blah. Price level is not of type NinjaTrader.NinjaScript.drawing, blah, blah, blah. What this is effectively saying is that this drawing, the Fibonacci retracements in this case, this drawing was drawn on the 0621 contract, not on the 0921 contract. So when I'm trying to change the price, I'm trying to change something on the 0621, but the drawing now is attached to the 0921, so it's messing it up, and NinjaTrader doesn't know what the heck to do. So what you can do to get around this, first off, you got to close the error. There's nothing you can do about that, but go back into the drawing tools, right? And I'm going to go into the drawing objects. What you can do is right at the top, attach to. I have mine set to all charts right now, and I can use this drop down and select here, 15 minute. So the ES 0921 15 minute, I'll hit apply, and you'll notice no errors. That worked. What I'm doing is I'm taking the drawing, I'm basically picking it up from the 621 contract and then plopping it right back down on the 921 contract so it's up to date. Then I can change this back to all charts and then update my prices as necessary. 42.46 down to 42.36.11, and then I'll hit apply, no errors, I'll hit OK, and we are all good to go. So just a quick little tip for you on those NinjaTrader rollovers with those global drawing objects and drawing tools. It can really be a little bit weird, but a cool little way to fix it there for you. Hopefully it helps.